All right, for this problem, it says find sine of 5 pi. So again, we just need to go back again and realize what our unit circle looks like. Remember, radian is your radius wrapped around your unit circle. Remember, the radius is 1, so that's 1 radian, 2 radians, 3 radians. Halfway around is 3.14159 radians, right? I keep on saying it over and over and over again because I need it to stick in your mind that halfway around is 3.141159 repeating radians, which we call pi. So this says 5 pi, and it says I want you to evaluate for sine. Remember, sine is going to be the y value of your coordinate point. So this one you could typically kind of do pretty easily just by writing around. You could say, well, that's pi, that's 2 pi, right? Go back around, 3 pi. Over here, 4 pi, right? And then around again would be 5 pi, right? Well, what if I said 108 pi? All right, how are you guys going to do that without mentally keep on going around? Or if you're not given a unit circle, how can you do this without having to keep on writing this down? Do you have a question? Or?
No, because 108 is like divisible by 2, and so basically if you divide 108 into, or 2 into 108, then you get like
Yeah.
54.
Right, yes, exactly. Well, so what Paul's mentioning is, if you guys notice, when I go from 1 pi to 2 pi, I'm back where I started, right? Correct?
Yeah.
Correct.
So it's not really I'm just back exactly where I started. I didn't do, I went around 1 pi, or went around 2 pi, but I'm back exactly where I started. So I haven't really gone anywhere with what is the measurement of 5 pi. So what they're saying is, let's see if I can rewrite this as my circle. So if I go around once, what is the measurement all the way around?
2 pi.
2 pi, right? So what I want to do is I want to see, so 2 pi going around once, that just takes me back to where I'm at. Well, can I go around more than 2 pi to get to 5 pi?
4 pi.
I can go around another one, right? So I can go around once. I can go around twice. Then what else do I need to add to get to 5 pi? I need to add pi, right? And what they're saying is, what you do is you can rewrite this. What Paul was saying is divisible by 2 pi, and you guys could combine this by 4. But what it's saying is, if you just write it like this, we don't care about this 2 pi because all it is just extra revolutions, right? It's just one revolution, another revolution. So we don't really care about those. All we really want to figure out is what is the sine of pi. So when the problem asks evaluate for the function by using your period as an aid, what you're doing is you're using, going around one revolution, you're just really just taking out those revolutions because it's just redundant. It's just extra circles, right? But to find the measurement, we just really care about what is the extras after you've done all those revolutions. Well, after I've gone over all my revolutions, my remaining part of the revolution is just pi. So I look at sine of pi. Well, we need to look at what is this point. It's -1, 0. Sine represents the y value. So sine of pi is 0. If you guys want to plug in your calculator, make sure you plug it in radian mode and type in the sine of pi and you will get 0. Okay, that's another way you can just check your answer. Just make sure your mode is in radians. And also, check it in your calculator. Do sine of 5 pi and then do sine of pi. You'll get the same answer, which will be 0. Yes.